This video, I show you how to earn $5 every 60 seconds for typing words, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is how to earn money online for typing words. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification on. It's free and you can always change your mind later. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. Start typing words while sipping your favorite coffee and get paid for up to $300 per hour. You just have to make sure that you're doing it right. However, if you don't feel like typing, you can just copy and paste it if you like. Keep on watching as I show you exactly how to do it. Plus, this website's registration is completely free, you don't have to pay anything in advance, and you don't need any writing experience. This can be done on your smartphone or computer. And it doesn't matter if you have an Android or an iOS device, you can still do this from anywhere in the world. Now, right before I explain you how you can do this, comment down below, I am from blank, aka your country. In that way, I will know exactly where you're from. So in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. And don't forget, I'll be giving special bonus tips that will allow you to earn double or even triple more money compared to other people. So make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now let's get back to the video. The very first step is for you to go to this very important site, which is typingtest.com, where you can take a 60-second typing test. When you get to this site, click on typing tests and you'll be taken to this page, where you can see check your typing skills in a minute, type away to join 150 million plus test takers. So you can select 1 to 10 minutes test, and then select text sentences or words that are extremely crucial. I'd like you to log in and select the 1-minute test and medium text options. The best part is you can do this conveniently on your smartphone. As you can see, you can start typing by clicking on Start Test. Then they have a timer right here for 1 minute, and they'll measure how fast you type. So for example, if I start typing certain words, the timer will start running, and they'll show me how fast I type. Now, if you go back to the homepage and click on typing courses, they will give you a free training to help you type faster. The reason for this is that in this video I will show you few websites that can make you money by simply typing. And the faster you type, the more money you make. Now I'm going to show you those websites where you can earn money online by simply typing. So this is going to be the very first website on our list. So as you can see right here, $1.25 per minute. Now let's head over to an online calculator and let's do the math. So that's $1.25 per minute, and if you type for 60 minutes or 1 hour, you can make $75. If you type for 3 hours, you can earn $225. And if you type for 5 hours, you can earn up to $375 for simply typing. As a result, this is truly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. This is a very legitimate website that has been trusted by over 170,000 people from various industries all over the world. So this website is called Rev.com. Now I want you to head over to their homepage. As you can see here, transcription is $1.25 per minute, captions are also charged with $1.25 per minute, and foreign subtitles range from $3 to $7 per minute. It's actually an edge if you're from a foreign country. For example, if you're from India and no Hindi subtitle is available, you can help them translate the videos from English to Hindi or Hindi to English. This is where you can earn a lot of money. So as you can see here, $3 to $7 per minute. Now let's see how much money you can earn. On average, you make roughly $5 per minute, which means you can earn $300 per hour by simply translating videos to foreign subtitles. Now if you're still starting and don't speak foreign language, I'd suggest starting with video transcription. I guess $1.25 per minute is more than enough. So right now, when you scroll down to the bottommost part of this website, you can see here freelancers. When you click it, you'll be taken to this page, where you can see Rev freelance jobs that have a work schedule that is extremely adaptable. You can pick and choose among hundreds of jobs and you'll get paid regularly on a weekly basis. The best part is you will receive your money on time and in a reliable manner. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video in which I've put a lot of time and energy to actually do, I would really appreciate it if you guys tap the like button and make sure you subscribe with notification on. And if we get 2,000 likes on this video, I'll drop a brand new video next week to show you guys exactly how to make even more money online doing basic stuff like this in the comfort of your home. Now let's get back to the video. Now moving on to the second website on our list is transcribeme.com, which you may also join for free. When you go to their homepage, you'll notice a few career opportunities. You may type and earn money online such as transcription or translation. I'd like you to focus on transcription because this one pays the most. As you can see here, they have the industry's best rates, with earnings starting at $15 to $22 per audio hour and the top monthly earning of $2,200. It's really amazing. Now let's head over to an online calculator and let's do the math. So that's $22 per audio hour, and if you do it for 5 hours, you can earn $110. But this one pays less than Rev.com. So I advise you to set aside some time and join Rev.com because it's a superior option. However, if you want to build multiple streams of income, you can join both Rev.com and TranscribeMe.com. Now, to join TranscribeMe.com, just go ahead and click on Get Started, and you'll be sent to a page where you may join. What's great about this website is that you can do it from your phone or your computer, and they have very flexible work hours and timetables, so you can work at your own pace. The best part is that they offer you 2 to 4 minute clips only, so it's absolutely not lengthy at all. Just imagine if you spend half an hour transcribing, or even an hour, you'll also be earning much. All you have to do is enter your first name, your last name and your email address. Make sure to put your real email for the confirmation link for your account activation. And then you can create your password and confirm it right here. After that, enter your PayPal account, where they can send you the payment. Always have the time to check your email because they will send you verification details about your typing speed because they will sometimes ask you what your typing speed is. This is where typingtest.com becomes handy. So in order to know what your typing speed is, in terms of words per minute, you can take a typing test on this website. After taking the test, you'll see your results right away. Now all you have to do is take a screenshot of the result and send it to them via email. So this is your typing speed, and you can improve or even double it by joining some typing courses on this website. By doing so, you'll have more job opportunities. Now if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here for you to discover how to earn free PayPal money by just opening an email, which is one of the best ways to make money online.